So, did you know that some nouns in French can actually change gender? I'm talking about grammatical gender, of course. It's hard enough for those of us who are English speakers to come to grips with this, since we don't do it in English. But to actually find out after nearly 50 years of doing French that the word œuvre, as in someone's work or work of art or set of works, can be masculine or feminine depending on context, when I always knew it as feminine, was quite a surprise to me. I already knew that some words like gens could go either way. For instance, we say tous ces gens seront là. All those people will be there. Tous ces gens in the masculine. But we say les belles gens, the beautiful people. Unless we're saying the people are beautiful, les gens sont beaux. So I was already aware that words could change like this, but I'd never before noticed that œuvre, which is feminine usually, could be le gros œuvre or le grand œuvre in alchemy or in speaking of architecture. Do you know of any words that change gender like this that have tripped you up or surprised you, even when you thought you knew all about them? Let me know in the comments.